In today's video, I'm going to teach you ClickUp tutorial for beginners. By the end, you'll be comfortable setting up your account, creating a space, adding tasks, and enriching them with time tracking, assignees, dates, priorities, and tags. Everything you need to start managing work with confidence. First, access ClickUp. Open your web browser and head to the official ClickUp site. On the homepage, look for the button that says Get Started. It's free. Click that to begin creating your account. You can continue with Google for a quick setup, or use a work email if you prefer to keep things separate. If you choose Google, a small window will appear, showing your available accounts. Select the one you want to connect, and then continue. ClickUp will walk you through the final confirmation so you can jump right into your new workspace without any hassle. Once you're in, you'll land on your workspace overview. This is your command center. From here, create your first space, which is how ClickUp groups related work. Think of a space as a home for a team, a department, or a client, whatever helps you keep things tidy. In the interface, find and click New Space. Give it a clear name so everyone knows what belongs here. You'll also see an option to add a description. This part is optional, but it's helpful to document scope, expectations, and any key notes future you or your teammates will appreciate. When you're happy with it, click Continue, then Create Space. Just like that, your space is ready. Now it's time to add tasks. Inside your new space, you'll usually start in a list view where you can create tasks line by line. Add your first task with a brief, action-oriented title, something that tells you exactly what needs to be done. Save the task so it's recorded. Add a couple more tasks to build out your workflow, and save each one as you go. Creating several at once helps you visualize the scope of work and plan the order you'll tackle them. Let's take one of those tasks and open it to edit the details more deeply. This opens a panel with everything you can configure for that specific piece of work. Start by tracking time, which will help you understand how long tasks really take and improve future estimates. Click. Add time, and for this example, set it to 30 minutes. You can do that quickly by selecting 30 mils. Save your entry. You'll now see that time attached to the task. When you're done reviewing, close the task window to return to your main view. Next, assign ownership. Click the assignee area on the task and select a team member to make them responsible. Assigning tasks removes ambiguity and keeps momentum up. While you're there, set a due date so expectations are clear. Choose a realistic deadline, confirm it, and then add a start date so the timeline is bookended. If you're kicking off today, simply choose Today. With both start and due dates in place, the task will sit neatly on your calendar in any timeline view. With timing sorted, set the priority. Click the priority indicator and choose the level that matches urgency and impact. For this walkthrough, mark it as high priority so it stands out in lists and views. Priority helps focus attention when there's a lot in motion, especially across teams. Tags are another powerful way to organize and filter your work. Click to add tags and create a few that fit your needs, such as the type of work, the client, or a sprint label. You can add as many tags as you like to reflect multiple dimensions of your project. Color coding each tag makes them pop visually and speeds up scanning through long lists. Create your first new tag, confirm it, and then add another to round out your system. Once they're added, you'll see those colored labels on the task, ready to filter and report on later. As your list grows, remember that tasks can be expanded with descriptions, checklists, attachments, and comments. Descriptions capture context and decisions. Checklists break work into bite-sized actions. Attachments keep files at your fingertips. And comments streamline collaboration by centralizing conversation directly in the task. Keep details concise but complete so anyone stepping in can get up to speed quickly. After your initial setup, it's worth exploring dashboards to see your progress at a glance. Dashboards let you add widgets that visualize what matters, tasks by status, workload by person, upcoming deadlines, or time tracked this week. The right mix gives you real-time insight and helps you course correct early. As you continue, consider configuring alerts so you never miss updates, and explore integrations to connect ClickUp with tools you already use. If you work with repeating processes, set recurring tasks so the essentials show up automatically on schedule. Before we wrap up, let's quickly review your workflow to make sure everything is locked in. You accessed ClickUp, created your account, and entered your workspace. You built a new space with a clear name and optional description. You added several tasks and saved them, then opened one to fine-tune the details. You logged 30 minutes of time, saved it, and returned to your main view. You assigned the task to a team member, set the due date and start date, marked it as high priority, and added color-coded tags to categorize it. These fundamentals give you a solid structure for planning, tracking, and delivering your work. That's how to use ClickUp as a complete beginner. With a space to organize your projects, thoughtfully created tasks, and rich task details like time, assignees, dates, priorities, and tags, you have everything you need to move work forward smoothly. Keep exploring as you get comfortable. There's a lot of depth in views, automations, and reporting that you can tailor to your style and your team's goals. If you learned something today and want more practical tutorials to help you work faster and more clearly, go ahead and like this video and subscribe for future content. Thanks for watching, and happy building in ClickUp.